and welcome back to the series of C programming. Last time we saw using if and else, if else, or if else if. We saw that the conditions to be given for every if and else if. Now, but if there are too many if and else statements, it becomes confusing. It becomes difficult to understand. So now we'll see. We will have a look at the switch statement. Switch statement expression is evaluated at the beginning. Okay. Now I will write down the switch statement. I'll just create one file here. New file. We'll save it as switch.c, right? Okay. Now this is switch.c. The syntax for the switch statement is switch within the parenthesis expression, right? And now the function begins with the braces. Now here case statement to be given. Case. Now it depends upon the value of the expression. What after evaluating this expression, what is the answer? Based on that, the case statement will be there. Suppose, for example, case value 1. Case value 1, some statements to be executed and a break. Okay. Case, the value is equal to some statements. Break. Now here break is not compulsory. We'll come back to that. Value of 3. Some statements. Okay. Break. Case value 4. Some statements. Break. And then comes default. Default statements, right? This is how a case statement works. See, it is giving error here. It is showing brackets are mismatching. Here I have not provided one colon here, right? So now I will explain this. Here in the switch statement, the expression is evolved first. Okay, whatever the answer comes, it is checked against this case. If the answer is equal to val 1, some statement. If it is equal to val 2, some. If val 3, and so on and so forth. Now here, break statement are not compulsory, but many a times it is compulsory to write because of the logic. Okay, one more thing I will tell you here is suppose now this first statement is valid, then some statements will execute. We'll mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4 so that you will understand. Okay. Now suppose the value of the expression matches this first case only. So these statements will get executed. Some statements 1 will get executed. Now in this case there is a break. The control will come here, and after that, say for example, we have a print statement. The end of switch. Right? So now we will convert this into a C code directly. We'll say include stdio.h, right, int main, open and close. Now here we remove this and put it here, right. You have to adjust this, right. This is a .c program for checking the switch. Now for instance, now here we have to remember whatever expression we have here, the answer should be either an int or a character. You cannot check float, you cannot check strings and all. Only thing is that it should be either int or character. For example, we will say int I1 is equal to 10. 10 or say 3, right. Okay, now I is equal to 3. Now I is equal to 3 and int I2 is equal to 2, right. Now we will write an expression here, I1 into I2. Okay, now I1 into I2, I1 is 3, I2 is 2, the answer will be 6. Now the system will check whether the case is having value 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will say here 5. Case the answer is 5, case the answer is 6, the answer is 7, answer is 8. Now this is default. Suppose now the answer is not equal to 5, 6, 7 or 8, this default will get executed. For example, we will put on statement here, printf does not match any case statement. Okay, bracket close. Now according to this example, this statement should execute. We will printf here also. Printf answer is 6. Answer is 6. Okay. Now answer is 6, case 5, answer is 5. Right. Here we will remove this, copy it here, printf answer is 7, right. Here remove this, here answer is 8. Right. Now there is no need of this break because it is the last one. Okay, but let it be there, no worries. Now if the answer is 5, this answer is 5, it will be printed. If it is 6, answer is 6, 7, 8 and so on. Then the default, if it is not equal to this 5, 6, 7 or 8, this does not match any case will get printed, right. So now we will check how this works. GCC switch.c -o switch C. Now answer is 6 has been printed, right? So this switch statement is executing correctly. Now we will see what will happen if we do not use this break. But remember that break is not compulsory at all. Right? Now we will see what happens. Again compile. Switch. See, now it has printed answer is 6, answer is 7, answer is 8, does not match any case, end of switch. That means what has happened is 5 is not printed because the answer is not equal to 5, right? So now the answer is equal to 6. This got printed. We will see again. We'll put backslash n here so that the printf statement will execute in the next line. Right. Now we'll execute. See, now it has printed answer is 6, answer is 7, answer is 8, does not match any case. Now it has gone through all the statements after this, including this, because the answer is 6. So this is also this statement has been executed, this printf, as long as, and also this print. So now to avoid such kind of cases, what to do is break is provided. Put a break to that execution, otherwise it will continue and all the further cases will be true only. Now we'll have a break here. We'll have a break here. Right. Now, what should happen is answer is equal to 5? No. So, answer is equal to 6? Yes. So, this answer is equal to 6 will be printed and the control will come out of this break. Right. Now, let us check. No, we have to compile it. Right. So now it has printed answer is 6 and it has come out of the switch. See, this end of switch has been executed after the end of this switch, right? So we have to remember or keep in mind when to put break. If you do not put break, if say suppose for example third statement gets executed, then respectively all the statements will get executed. It's very dangerous. This switch is like an what they call as interactive voice response system. That say for example for booking of a gas cylinder, we give a call to one number and the computer there answers. Press 1 if you want to book, press 2 if you want to cancel, press 3 to exit. Okay, so this will work accordingly. Now here looking at the switch statements, we will find that it is easier to understand, easier to maintain than our if statements. If and if, else, if, there are the conditions have to be evaluated every if and end if. Now here the switch statement condition is evaluated at the expression is evaluated at the beginning only. This is the major difference. And here another thing is there. We can have a range. Let's say for example, uh, we will check whether the answer is within 1 and 4, right? We will say case 1, 1 to 4. Leave a space, put 3 dots and then space and then 4 and then as it is colon. Now we'll print, say answer is within 1 and 4. Answer is between 1 and 4. Then we will have a break. Okay. Now let us check. Still the answer for this expression is 6 only. Save. Again we will compile. We will check. Okay, the same thing has come out. Now let us check with another values of this I. Let I1 be is equal to 1 and I2 is equal to 3. Now the answer will be 4. Now according to this logic, this should be printed. Okay, but see, remember that this is 1 to 4. That is anything, the answer if it is equal to 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, this will get executed. Right? Answer is within 1 and 4 and end of the switch. Directly it has come out of this. So here the first case is matching. So it will execute and come out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video, to show your support. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and ask questions. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Share this video with friends who might need it. If you encountered any issues or have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I am here to help.